Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transform into a fierce leopard with this Halloween makeup tutorial. Let's jump right into it. Starting off with eye primer to create a smooth base. Then I'm applying some eye concealer to even out my discoloration and setting up with compact powder for a long lasting finish. Eyebrows and eyeshadow. Next, I'm defining my brows and filling them in to add some shape. Moving into the eyeshadow, I'm using a light brown shade to put some depth into the crease. To prep the face, I'm applying some serum all over to keep the skin hydrated, followed by a light layer of moisturizer for smooth application of the base products. Now I'm applying foundation evenly on my face, followed by concealer under the eyes, between the brows, on the nose and chin to highlight these areas. This will help bring dimension to our leopard look. Time to contour. I'm adding some contour to the cheeks, forehead and nose for a more defined face look that suits a leopard style. Blend, blend, blend. Keep blending out so it will look more even out. Now I'm placing a bit of concealer on my eyelid to create a clean cut crease. Then I'm setting the cut crease area with some compact powder to lock it in. Look, now here I am using the compact powder to lock it in and make it look more good. And then now with I am going to do eyeliner with a small and fine out brush, going in with a sharp or bold eyeliner to bring intensity to the eyes. Make sure to make the eyeliner tip very freeze and sharp. This eyeliner will make your eye makeup very good. Smooth out the wing to make it look to give it a bit natural look. Blend, blend, blend. Now adding some blush to give it a bit of color to the cheeks. And make sure to blend out the blush too. Now let's get creative. I'm shaping the nose to resemble a leopard's nose by adding dark accents and defining it to make it look more animalistic. Be careful with the nose because it is the main part and the creative part. Now leopard spots. Time to add the leopard spots. I am careful creating the spots on my face to mimic a leopard's skin. Take your time with this step to make the spots look as realistic as possible. I'll teach you very nicely to how to make those spots. Watch it sincerely. Those spots are fun to make. You will like to make those too. I really like this whole makeup. This was really a fun makeup, and I'll recommend to you guys that you should also try this makeup out. It's so easy and at the time so fun. You will like it, so please do try it. Me now the spots to make it more realistic, and now I am applying the eyelashes, and then finally for the lips I'm starting with a lip liner to outline the shape, followed by a light brown lipsticks to keep the look cohesive. These lips will bring out your makeup even more, so give as much time as you can to the lips. Finally, here is the completed look. I am adding a few touches, styling the hair and setting everything. That's it for Halloween leopard makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to try it yourself. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Halloween looks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next time. Bye.